Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to use flex direction property to make a column. This is probably going to be a lot like the last one. So the last two challenges use flex direction property to use the flex direction property set to row. This property can also create a column by vertically stacking the children of a flex container. Add the CSS property flex direction to the box container. Okay, so box container, flex direction, and then we're going to set that and give it a value column. So we're going to watch these guys. My guess is that the blue and the red are not going to be on top of each other. I think the blue will be on top and the red will be on the bottom. And we're just going to say column. Cool. And that's going to run the test and that's going to pass. Again, this is just mobile responsive stuff. I think this will make it so they're columns no matter what. Whereas if it's not here, perhaps they'll just be on a row no matter what. Yeah, because we set the display to flex and then this is here. But if we do change the flex direction, they'll be 50% of that. I wonder if they're 50% of the page. No, they're not. But that's because the height is set specifically. Cool. So yeah, anyways, if we run the tests, I think this will pass. Hope this was helpful. See you guys in the next lesson.